Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today one more video. I'm Philip, the crypto teacher, and I'm here to give you a market update and teach you a little bit of my strategy of short-term money. But starting now, let's don't waste time. Let's go to the charts and check what is happening. Bitcoin had a rejection this week of everyone expecting 100K, and we just top at 99,600 if I'm not mistaken, and got a rejection. So I'll update you about what you can do and how I can see the market right now. I even have a candle here to pray for the altcoins or in this rejection. I'm joking, okay? This candle my wife make to smell good. Yeah, smell really good. So she does as a hobby. Yeah, and it's good. I'm not praying for anything here in this chart, all right? God has more important things to do than look at the chart. So, okay, here I have renda, which I'm going to speak about later on. And what I want to show you here first, not this guy over here. It's important as well. Then you're going to see all my drawings and you're going to see what's going on. Okay, guys, so we have a rejection at this point over here at 999.624. Okay, which is normal. Okay, it's a rejection after, I will call that a God candle. Okay, that was look, 6 months here of pain, okay, in this channel, and then we just went parabolic. This is what was missing. This is what the boys were expecting and the girls as well. So here, as you can see, we are in the weekly candle. It's normal a correction or some kind of consolidation here. So don't panic, don't start to, oh, this is the top. Yeah, can be the top anywhere. But before you take your own, let me handle you what I think, and then you take your considerations and do whatever you wish. From a macro perspective over here, all right, we had 7 months of consolidation. So for a healthy bull run at 2025, I think one correction it's a must. All right, I don't believe it will go for 8-9 months straight to the top. 100K is a psychological resistance, a real psychological resistance, and of course a lot of people put the sale order on 100K 99. Okay, let me, if I was selling, if I was a seller here, I would place my order at 99 for sure, because 100K is a psychological barrier. And yes, what you can do here in Bitcoin, okay? Let me go to a chart where, let's go to 4 hours. Where are you, baby? Yeah. So here, 4 hours chart. Let me bring you down, okay? So basically we got a trend line here, okay? There was, I would say, there was a little fake out over here, and that happened because a lot of people use leverage, and using leverage sometimes you're gonna face these situations. But if you are on spot, there is nothing to fear. So here there was a fake out and we came back again. All right, what you can trade over here, even if you want to try to trade this trend line in a rejection for a short, yeah, but must be a stop really tight. Okay, we are in an uptrend bull run here, with institutions in at any time. A lot of money can flow, and if you are shorting here, that's not a good idea. But if you want to perhaps give it a try, sometimes it is worth, but I'm not shorting anything over here. And if we have a channel like this, you can always play the channel that we had. We had this line here that was also invalidated. So this chart is completely invalidated right now. What I expect here is more of volatility. You can see that we had when we reached the close to 99 here, you always have a huge selling pressure, all right, which is bigger than anything else. So over here as well, a guy that I love looking at, RSI, okay, here. So not oversold, but low, really low for 99,000 in the 4 hours. Let me see in the daily one, which is interesting. Okay, so okay, we were in a oversold RSI. Okay, now we just went for the purple area, which is, let's say, the kind of normal area. We are not oversold over here, which is nice. Okay, a good correction. I think if I would worry about a biggest correction here, I would set my stops here at 87 or even 84, I think. Yeah, 89 maybe, but this area here, it's something that we need to look at. But if we have a correction till here, and here we start to go up again, that's a beautiful one, stopping at 92. I even did a post was today or yesterday on X, speaking about this 92 here. If we lose this support here, this light blue support, we would stop around 92, which was, I was expecting a bit lower in this area over here, but that's okay, still valid, still good. Nothing to worry, my friend. If you are looking for, if you are buying spot, or you are with your position on spot, nothing to worry about. It's just a pointing of a correction, and I'm completely good over here. Okay, and when we are talking about Bitcoin and altcoins also, you gotta have a look at Bitcoin dominance as well. Not this one, a lot of Fibonacci, sometimes a trade over there, but Bitcoin dominance as well. It's been in a higher level, was top at 61 over here, but we are in this huge channel here, uptrend channel of 3 years. So we need to break this down and go lower at least 55 to start a out season here, hoping for 50%. All right, so I don't think altcoins will perform as everyone is expecting. Somehow 2025 it will happen, but firstly we need to look at Bitcoin dominance and of course Bitcoin's price. We are almost at 100K. I think we still have a little bit of room to go. Okay, and that's a healthy correction for me. It's necessary. Okay, otherwise you get too greedy, RSI over the top, people crazy, and then can take much more time for the market to start going up again. Then it's obviously it's the best when you have those corrections and then start going up again, rather than you have a huge correction where everyone panics, and like happened in 2021. Okay, and everyone got a lot of people, I think, got shaken out because Bitcoin was you think the top is in. when happens something like this, let me even go back to Bitcoin's chart here. So about altcoins, we're still looking for Bitcoin dominance. When I'm gonna show you what happened in 2021 if you are new over here, and maybe we can. Okay, this is that was the correction in 2021. Okay, so was a huge correction. Okay, I'm not expecting something like this can happen as well, but I think small corrections are really good. Here was from 65 to 29. Man, that's tough. And yeah, that's what happened here. Different from 2017, which we had one top, and yeah, all good. One top, all good. Another detail that I'm observing every single day over here. We go to the monthly chart, and this is another detail about the RSI that I wanna go through with you. As you can see here, in blue are the top of 2017, 2021. Okay, top. You always see the RSI oversold. Okay, in really oversold territory. And if we go more here, we are gonna see more happening in the other cycles, okay, of 2013. But it was always in an oversold territory. So what the crypto teacher is expecting now, it's, of course, we will look to the past and try to check what's going to happen in the future. Now still not oh, it's in a oversold area, I would say, but the last top was here. Okay, the last local top that we had this cycle, 73, and then we are again entering in deep sea over here, but it's still not like this one. Okay, we have a huge difference in the RSI. So it is one of the things that I'm looking for if you're looking for a top this year. Okay, little bit of education. And okay, now I want to tell you what I do for one of the strategies that I do for short-term money. All right, I'll use a render chart even to trade meme coins. I think it's a really valid strategy that I particularly I love it. So I'm here in the daily chart of render, and I'll give you an example because this one I've done that in the past, and I think it works a lot when we wanna trade for short-term money. Okay, so what happened here? If you're looking for a short-term trade, all right. To be clear with you, when we talk about education, I always tell people to have one bag, one portfolio for a long-term holding. Okay, and if you are anxious, sometimes you want to do some moves. Okay, and you like trading, you like to be aware in the market, and you want to be involved more sometimes. You can have a small portfolio for short-term trades. All right, so this is something that you should consider if you like it. What happened here when you have this trend line going on, this downtrend line? Okay, must be a downtrend line. You can see that always we have some testings over here. First test, okay, second one, third one, and then we have a bottom over here. But the idea here is to trade this breakout that will happen sometime, okay? When you get one rejection, two rejections, three rejections, about 70% of this is filled, okay? Most likely when we get to the end here of this trend line, not here not in the first, because it is not a trend line over here, nor either over here. So in the third touch we start to look at something. We always have a breakout, okay? And that's what I look for when I'm looking for short-term trades. If we go to meme coins on Solana, you're gonna see a lot of this, okay? A lot of some retracing. And here I let myself to use some kind of leverage, not over leverage, all right? Some people, but here it's a huge possibility if you are trading this breakout over here, okay, that will pass by, okay? What I use a tight stop in the trend line, okay, because could be a fake out or something like this, and we don't play to lose, but here you have much more of a chance to win than you lose in a short term, okay? If you are buying spot, for me it's a, oh look, it's a great buy. I have a client actually that execute a buy over here, was on point. Yeah, she's a lady that she's really smart and learn really quick. And what I try to see over here is if it's filling this criteria, okay, of, get out of here, okay, touching at least 3 times. My goodness, today it's something happening here. And we play for this breakout. So we get in over here in the trend line and put our stop really tight. And usually you get a good run, okay? So, but most probably, sometimes you can get a retest in the trend line and then we go. So that's why in this first time here, I usually take 100% profit, all right? I don't wait for any other move, because from my experience here, the first move in the breakout, it's always the strongest one if you are looking for short term, right? Short term. I'm not telling in the long run. In the long run, it's a beautiful spot buy, but you can see that here at the front, we also got the same level of prices. So that's why it's a good short-term money in my opinion, okay? And then of course, if I think Renda, it's a beautiful project, okay? You should look at it, even now that they switch for Solana. If you are trading meme coins on Solana, I think this strategy is really good, all right? I think you should consider this. And about Renda over here, we still have this box, and as you can see, the price is really respecting this zone here. I expect if we get, let's see what Bitcoin's gonna do, all right, because that's the king. And Bitcoin going well, I think Renda and AI coins should have a little bit of room to grow, but still not a out season, all right? Just one thing that I always look over here, look it up the volume, all right? Because when you're looking for a breakout, always you can see over here. That's a really good detail that you should look. You can see that it's increasing, okay, over here. Okay, it's increasing the volume. That's another detail, okay? This is a masterclass, okay? You can do some money with it, so be happy. And yeah, if you wanna learn more, then you go to my website, cryptoteacher.com.au. I have my X there, YouTube channel. Yeah, I'll launch my Telegram channel soon. And yeah, you can send me an email, or you want to talk about it. My Instagram as well is there, so we can talk. And yeah, whatever you think about the market, send me, we can exchange some ideas. Okay, so this is what I'm using. Okay, so subscribe there, share this video with your friends, and the trend is your friend. Okay, that's we are in a good market, we are in a bull market. Don't get scared with corrections. All right, so see you next week, next video. I'm gonna be here to teach you the finest of cryptocurrency. See you.